In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WP Travel Engine in Elementor. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. It's like the operations hub for your website where you can steer the ship smoothly. Logging into WordPress is straightforward. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to the dashboard, the spine of your site management. Once you're in, the next step is to ensure that both Elementor and the WP Travel Engine plugins are installed and activated. These plugins are essential tools that allow you to design effortlessly and manage travel booking functionalities. Navigate to the plugins section in the sidebar. Here, you can add new plugins. Search for Elementor and WP Travel Engine, and if they're not already there, get them installed and activate them. This is a critical step because without these plugins, you won't be able to proceed further in seamlessly integrating travel functionality into your site. With the plugins ready, head over to the Pages section from your dashboard. Here, click on Add New. This is where your unique travel page will come to life. Once this new page is created, you'll want to click on Edit with Elementor. This is where the magic of design happens. Elementor provides you with a toolkit of widgets and settings to craft a visually stunning page without needing to dive into code. Now let's add some travel functionalities with the help of Elementor's widgets. Look through the available widgets and drag the shortcode widget to where you want your trip bookings or forms to appear. This widget allows you to embed functionalities directly into your page. At this point, you'll be using shortcodes specific to WP Travel Engine to pull in trip-related information. For instance, inserting the shortcode WP Travel Engine Trips will display all the trips you've set up in WP Travel Engine on your page. Additionally, if you want to show specific destinations users can book, use WP Travel Engine Destinations. These shortcodes are powerful, allowing you to showcase dynamic travel options effortlessly. To make your page look as appealing as possible, don't forget to customize the layout and styling using Elementor's settings. You can adjust the spacing, tweak the colors, and enhance typography to align with your brand's aesthetic. It's all about creating a user-friendly and attractive design that communicates your offerings effectively. By following these steps, you'll have a polished travel booking page integrated with Elementor and WP Travel Engine on your WordPress site. Take your time to experiment with different layouts and find what works best for your audience. Happy designing, and I hope this has been helpful in getting you started with using WP Travel Engine in Elementor.